getting a bigger and bigger role every time you come back for Gilas Pilipinas duties. So paano mo ginagamit yung nabasihan para makita how much you improve pag bumabalik ka playing for Gilas?
I mean, from the start na kinuha kami ni Coach Tim at the very first window, sinabi ko na sa sarili ko na stay ready lang every time. Whenever the opportunity na may dumating, isize ko lang ang moment and make the most out of it. And I'm thankful and blessed na may mga teammates na binibigyan ako kumpiyansa every single game. So yeah.
No, you were about
Mapanalo nyo to, or at the very least, magkaroon kayo ng chance na nandun pa rin kayo dun sa top 4 or taking this challenge sa second round ng qualification.
I mean, for me, bigay lang namin yung best namin as a young guns dito sa team. I mean, kung ano lang kaya ko i-contribute, gagawin ko lang for the team, for the country.
Kevin, can you just talk about being comfortable dun sa role mo? Kasi nga, every window nakikita namin na talagang consistent, even yung outside shooting mo, maganda lagi yung napapakita mo.
For me, yung opportunity dumating lang, tinake advantage ko lang siya. And yeah, yung points ko naman is galing sa system. So, yeah, for me, I'll just keep working hard na maging mas maging fluid pa on the upcoming windows.
final call for questions. Raise your hand.
As a kay Carl and KQ, ano lang yung
Para sa kanya, I'm very happy na nakabalik si Kai. Alam naman natin siya sa big piece for this Gilas team. And nakita naman natin last na naglaro siya yung gaano kalaking impact yung nabigay niya sa atin. So, yeah, I mean, sobrang laki tulong ni Kai for us. And I know, we'll just do our roles lang and stick to the system.